The correlation coefficient is a statistical measure that describes the strength and direction of a relationship between two variables. It is represented by the symbol R and ranges from 1 to 1. A correlation coefficient of 1 indicates a perfect positive relationship, while a correlation coefficient of 1 indicates a perfect negative relationship. A correlation coefficient of 0 suggests no relationship between the variables. The calculation of the correlation coefficient involves taking the covariance of the two variables and dividing it by the product of their standard deviations. This formula allows us to quantify the extent to which changes in one variable are associated with changes in another. For instance, if we were to examine the relationship between the number of hours spent studying and the exam scores of a group of students, we could use the correlation coefficient to measure the strength and direction of this relationship. A positive correlation coefficient would indicate that as the number of study hours increases, so do the exam scores. On the other hand, a negative correlation coefficient would suggest that as the number of study hours increases, the exam scores decrease. It's important to note that correlation does not imply causation. Just because two variables are correlated does not mean that changes in one variable cause changes in the other. There may be other factors at play that influence the relationship between the variables. Understanding the correlation coefficient is valuable in various fields such as economics, psychology, and biology. It allows researchers and analysts to make informed decisions based on the strength and direction of relationships between different variables. In conclusion, the correlation coefficient is a crucial statistical measure that helps us understand the relationship between two variables. By providing a numerical value for the strength and direction of this relationship, it allows us to draw meaningful insights and make informed decisions in a wide range of fields.